Hi there, students. Under a cloud. Very often under a cloud of suspicion. The doctor left the hospital under a cloud. So here, people suspect that he's done something wrong, that he's misbehaved in some way, but it doesn't define it. The politician left office under a cloud. So not trusted, not popular, because people think that this person has done something bad. The minister left office under a cloud after a scandal. So if somebody's under a cloud, they're under a cloud of suspicion. They are disapproved of. Private company information was leaked to the press, and everybody in the company was under a cloud. Okay, the husband of the victim is still under a cloud because we suspect that he had something to do with this. Okay, let's see. His reputation is under a cloud. It's under a cloud of suspicion. So John has always been under a cloud since his roommate's money disappeared suddenly. He left the company under a cloud of suspicion. She resigned under a cloud. Your reputation was under a cloud. The butcher is under a cloud because inspectors found that he was selling horse meat instead of beef. An athlete could end their career under a cloud when they refuse to take a drug test. I believe the Chinese swimmers at the moment are under a cloud about a scandal. The cabinet minister left office under a cloud because there was a fraud scandal. He returned home under a cloud. Okay, that things had not gone well. So his reputation is still under a cloud. His name is under a cloud. So this says this is somebody shady. If someone is under a cloud, people have a poor opinion of them because they think that they've done something wrong. The military are under a cloud for killing civilians. So under suspicion, or maybe people are angry with them because they think that this person has done something wrong. In disgrace. He went bankrupt and left town under a cloud. The whole department is under a cloud after losing this an important contract. So this is where other people believe that you've done something wrong and you are under a cloud. This is literally under a cloud of suspicion. Let's see, O.J. Simpson was found innocent of the murder of his girlfriend, but he still remains under a cloud of suspicion. The jockey club still suspect that he is doping horses, and his reputation is under a cloud. Yeah, he continued to live under a cloud in the community. So you're not trusted, you're not popular because people think that you've done something bad. The aeroplane industry is under a cloud because people suspect they haven't been taking safety seriously. Okay, so he left the company under a cloud. And this is the point, there's this cloud of suspicion over them, but nobody actually knows exactly perhaps what they've done wrong. Somebody who's been discredited, they're under suspicion. He left under a cloud, having been accused of stealing money from the company. So under a cloud, I think this is almost with a cloud of rain over your head. So under a cloud, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 4 in formality. Use informally, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, but stop there. So under a cloud.